I just filmed the lip combo for TikTok using the Plump NYX lip liner and these beautiful e.l.f. shimmering lip oil glimmer. Okay, never mind, I'll read it correctly. It's called the Glow Reviver Lip Oil Glimmer Finish. So beautiful. You can see I have it on right now, although there's no light, so I don't know how much you can see, but gorgeous. Good morning, you guys. Made it into the car. I'm currently gonna have to go drop some packages into the DHL post office, and after this I'm just gonna take you guys with me to run errands around the city. I have a few things that I need to do. I thought I would just take you guys with me, so this is what we're doing. First off though, before we do anything, we're gonna go pick up a little matcha at the coffee, if I can park the car in front, otherwise I'll go somewhere else. If you don't mix your matcha before you take a sip, you're an animal. Sorry, I didn't make the rules. Delicious. Next stop, Uniqlo. Going into the city center before there is hordes and hordes of people. I think there's a little cinnamon in this. It's tonka bean, but that's nice. Let's go. Oh, I might also have to go check for some sweats because I don't have any, so we might also have to go to Urban Outfitters. It's gonna be a fun day today. We made it to stop 2 to go drop the stuff into the cobbler. Urban Outfitters was a success. Uniqlo was not a success because apparently you can only exchange in store, which is weird. So now I just need to figure out this thing so I can drop it, although it's not even taped, so I have to take it back home again and wrap it. But that's done. But anyways, like I said, Urban Outfitters, beauty. Like literally got a full fit. Was not expecting this, but hey, oh well. 120 euros at the window, but at least it makes me feel happy, right? So now I am literally parked close to where the cobbler is, and also where I can buy a shower gel, and it's a mall, so there's a bunch of stores, so I might just go around there for a bit while the car charges. So now I'm literally gonna go ahead and plug it in, and yeah, let's just get down and see what's happening. That was a struggle, to be honest. I don't know why my charging app just fucking logged me off, but I've done what I needed to do here, minus the cobbler, because I found another cobbler closer to me, so I'm gonna go to that one. For now, we're reapplying the Glow Reviver in Princess Cut from e.l.f. And then we're going home. have some frozen items I need to drop in the house. And my sister is joining us to go to the market so we can stock up on some veggies. And after this, I don't know what we're gonna do. Are we gonna go home? Are we gonna, I don't know, we'll see. So we're in the market, we're waiting for our empanadas. We have bought everything we needed to buy. Now we're gonna get a little snacky and then we're heading back to the car and we're gonna take a little ride around the city center and then go back home to put everything away. I'm back. So while we wait for the car to charge a bit more, I have this delicious empanada that we picked up. Had a few bites of it. I needed the heat to get out of inside. Made it back home. It's 4 o'clock. So I've been out since 10:30 to 4 o'clock now. So let me just show you everything that I picked up and then we'll put away the groceries and then most likely I will go take off my makeup and I'll go take a nap. Like horizontal time. Urban Outfitter, I got this red shirt that I tried, as well as the first sweatpants that I tried, the black super wide ones. So I own sweats from Iets France. I don't even know if because it's written in Dutch, okay? So I don't know how you pronounce it in English, but Iets France. So I got sweats from them before and I have 2 pairs. I think I bought them like 6-7 years ago, something like this, and they're still so good. And I washed them and rewashed them and rewashed them. They're awesome. The only thing, and they're cuffed at the foot, and I don't like this style anymore because I want it to cover my sneakers, so I want them to be wide. So I got these, and also the sizing. I had to size down to a size S now. The other ones were M. So this is what I got from Urban. Moving on, I went to the supermarket, the Asian supermarket. So it's called Sheila. It's a Japanese Korean supermarket. I got restock on my buldak noodles, restock on my seaweed. I got 2 packs of enoki that I like to put in my noodles. The second one is in the fridge. And then I got these mandu, which are basically Korean dumplings. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it's with japchae inside. I don't know how to say it. I'm not Korean. So this is what I got. It's like little small dumplings. And 4 little dumplings are 160 calories. Sometimes I just like to try and eat different things. So I got some of these and it's vegetarian. I'm pretty sure it's only veggies inside. And last but not least, from the Korean Japanese store, I got these choco pies. Choco pies, I don't know how you read them in Japanese, obviously, but I got some of these because like we had something growing up in Morocco that was very similar to this. It was like chocolate and like kind of a crumbly cookie and then marshmallow in the middle, and I really hope this is the same. So I think I'll try this on TikTok and see if it's the same. After this, I went to Holland & Barrett and I got electrolytes. These are my favorite. I tried multiple different kinds, but these are really the best ones, and they're a raspberry flavored. And I got them in this pack, which is just the powder, and I also got them in little sticks in case I'm out of the house. I can just throw them in my bag. So I got these 2. I dropped by Douglas, which is the Sephora that we have here, and I got a little shower mousse, and this one is from Stella Marie in the scent Rock Roses, which is really my favorite scent that they have. I had so many of their products in this range, and I don't remember what it was actually. I don't know if it says. Oh, it's rose, cashmere, and leather. It's so nice. So I'm happy to have this as a shower gel. And then I went to Skins. My boyfriend threw away the bag, but I just got him a shower gel from Molten Brown. And this one is the Recharge Black Pepper. So he had mentioned that he liked this one, and I was just walking by the store, so I got it for him. Let me just smell it actually. Yeah, I mean, it's like a manly scent. It's just, you really smell the black pepper actually. I don't know if it says what the notes are. Anyway, so this is what I got for my boyfriend as well. Now we get onto the market stuff. First off, we got some cœur de bœuf tomatoes. So these two my sister wanted. And these two are mine. I like them a bit more green. So I like to just kind of slice this and eat it with a little bit of salt. It's really yummy. I love it. It's a nice snack as well. Then I also saw some big peaches, so I just picked up 2 of them. They looked very yummy. And then I got 3 jalapenos because, I don't know, it's always good to have, maybe make poppers with them later. Moving on, we got some herbs. So actually, let me just start off by saying this whole bag that I'm gonna show you right now cost me €11.50. So let's go over everything. Got rosemary, all of this of mint, and it's Moroccan mint as well. It smells delicious. I got cavolonero, this whole bunch, because I wanted to make some chips. And I got this whole bunch of parsley. Then I got 2 bags of bimi or broccolini. This whole bunch of green asparagus, and then these little tiny potatoes. And all of this I just showed you right now was €11.50. This is unbelievable. The bimi on its own, usually in the supermarket, is between €3 to €4. It's crazy. So needless to say, now that I got my little car, I'll be going to the market a bit more often. And last but not least, from the market, we were passing by a stand and I saw they had little beans covered in sauce. So actually, let me try one right now. It smells like tomato sauce. So you can see the beans. They're like very big beans. Here, I'm picking up with my hands. It's so good. It's exactly what I expected it to be. It's a good day when you get exactly what you expected it to be. But yeah. So that's pretty much what we got from the market and from everything running around the city. I'm gonna put everything away like I said and then removing this makeup. I don't know about you, but I love to eat my peaches and nectarines and apples cold.